Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together. Today is Wednesday. I have one or two uploads. I'm not sure yet. We had bad storms, and it was so hot, so I got a late start. It's 4 p.m. right now, but I'm going to give you at least one upload for today. If possible, I'll try to give you another one. But I bought these really good garlic bread pizzas. Garlic bread. And you can see them. They're already made. It has the parsley and garlic bread built into the bread. And this one's more like a flat bread. And I got basil pesto, pizza sauce, pepperoni, mozzarella cheese. So I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do this. But the one thing I'm going to do definitely is I'll cut the garlic bread up into smaller pieces, because I'm going to probably try to make a couple different varieties if possible. With the storm, I wasn't able to get out and buy tomatoes and other things, but I'm going to use this pan to like warm the garlic bread. But the smell in this kitchen is so good. And like I said, I've been smelling this for 2 days. I've had the garlic bread for 2 days. This is definitely worth it, but you can't go wrong with these. $3. And it's already the bread and the garlic bread built in. But with these things, you could do so many things with. You can make pizzas. You could put like eggs on top of them. With this garlic bread, your possibilities are unlimited. With our different minds, we could come up with many things. So I'm going to get my chef knife, and I'm going to try to be creative. I might try to cut the ends off, but to be honest with you, I never did this one before. This is brand new. We're learning together. So let's take this journey. Alright, so this is Dansoy Amateur Cook back. I'm going to start with the flatbread garlic bread and see what I can do. Like I said, my ingredients are limited today because of the really bad weather. We had storms and floods, severe thunderstorm warnings. So my ingredients are limited. But the only thing is, when you have garlic bread like this, you don't need a lot of ingredients. If you have a couple things and spices, you can make anything. The main thing is pizza sauce and mozzarella cheese. Or even if you don't have pizza sauce, if you have tomato sauce, you could use that. Or you could take canned tomatoes and make your own pizza sauce. So I'm going to start out with this flatbread first. So that's the garlic bread one, and we'll take it from there. Alright, so I cut the garlic bread in kind of like a rectangle. More like a Sicilian pizza. You could do whatever you want. I saved the parts of the bread that I cut off to eat as a snack or to fry up. I never waste, so I'm going to throw this right in the pan face down and make that garlic butter bread brown, and then I'll build the pizza on top. Alright, so you can see that I have that garlic bread down in the pan. You see the butter? I'm going to put the stove on low, and I'm just going to slowly warm this. But look at the color in that. Look at the garlic bread there. Look how it's running. So just do that until you get it to the color you want. Then we'll take it off to the cutting board right here, and then we'll build the pizza, and then we'll put it back on, already made with the cover on, and we'll melt the cheese. But you see that color right there. But keep your stove between low and medium. Alright, YouTubers, YouTuber world, and Facebook, I love both of you. You can see how that's cooking, so we're almost done. After we're done with that, we're not going to want that garlic bread in there, because we don't really want the bottom getting all soaked. So take a pan, like a mixing bowl like this, and we're going to pour that garlic butter back into there, and we could use it later or on another recipe. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, I'm done. I just wanted to show you what it looked like on the bottom. You could do it longer and make it golden brown, but I really wanted it to be really garlicky and runny. But you can see the color there. So you're going to want to take all that garlic butter out, and like I said, put it in that mixing bowl. And then we'll take the dry side of the bread, put it on our cutting board, build on top what we're going to do, and then we'll put it back. But yeah, I just wanted to show you like the consistency. Look at that. I would love to eat it now, but I really want to make the pizza. Alright, so we're back, YouTube and Facebook. There's that garlic bread that's already warm. There's that garlic butter that I told you to drain off. We could either use that later, or we could pour that into a container, and you could use it another time, like on your toast in the morning, or cook a meal with that. Vegetables cooked in garlic butter are great. So this pan right here now, we're going to want to wash out. We're going to want to dry, because we're going to use it. We only want to use it for heat and steam, to melt the cheese and to warm the pizza sauce. So I'll be back in 1 second. Love ya. Alright, so we're back. You can see that I put the pesto on there. And I have the tomato sauce in the other one. So now we'll just put the toppings on. Alright, so we got the cheese on there. That's going on the left's going to be our pepperoni and cheese Sicilian garlic bread pizza. On the right, it's going to be our basil pesto garlic bread Sicilian pizza with roasted tomatoes. So let's now just put the pepperoni on that one. And like we said, the ingredients are up to you. You can put as little or a lot. But we'll get this ready. And then we'll get it in the pan. Alright, so Facebook and YouTube. There is the pizzas right now. On the right side, let's just put the tomatoes on. Roasted tomatoes. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, you can see that I put on the roasted tomatoes on here. They're one of the best roasted tomatoes I've ever bought. So you can see that you got the roasted tomatoes, the chunky cheese, the pesto. And on this one we have the typical pepperoni pizza. So let's get it into the pan and put the cover on and melt it all up, and we're done. Perfect for kids, perfect for you, snack or a meal. Alright, YouTube and Facebook. You see that I have the pizzas, the Sicilian, in the pan. So now we're going to cover this and put it on low. If you want it, you could throw it in the microwave, but I wanted to try something different. So we're just going to put a cover on, and we're going to melt that cheese. If you wanted to, you could slightly coat the thing, but we want to try to leave the bottom dry, like a real pizza crust. Alright, YouTube, this is my mother's famous pot. It's been in the family for a long time. You know the story. So now we're gonna let this steam and melt the cheese. So we'll be back when it's done, and then we can eat that. And that's how you can make a quick Sicilian pizzas off of garlic bread. And the garlic bread adds a lot more taste. So like I always say, use your imagination, use your taste, make what's good for your family or yourself. No one's right, no one's wrong. This is your cook, and like I say, I'm an amateur cook, amateur chef. I can't even talk today. I'm so happy. I just like to cook things, like to create, and I like to share. So thanks for being here with me, and I love you. So let's just wait till it melts down. All right, so you can see the steam is starting to build in that pot, and we're just going to do it long enough till we melt the cheese to where we want it. Everyone is different, but just be careful. Watch this so it doesn't burn or overcook. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, I'm done. There's the final product. You got the pepperoni pizza, basically a Sicilian garlic bread one, and you got this pesto one with roasted tomatoes. And I used the sorry if the camera's moving fast, I used the hamburger thing to take these out of the pan and transfer them to there. I still have another garlic bread. I'm not sure if I'm going to make more pizzas with this. I still got this one left. But here's your upload for Wednesday. I'm going to actually bring you a leftover meal. It's a Domino pizza dog. I'm going to make a hot dog into a Domino's pizza dog with leftovers. So that's the next one. I might bring you another pizza thing with the other garlic bread, but that's your final product. Look at that pepperoni and cheese, and look at this pesto, cheese, and roasted tomatoes. So thanks for visiting my channel. This is your Wednesday upload recipe, how to make quick garlic bread pizza. And I will see you on Friday for sure. You might see me tomorrow, Thursday, but soon I'll bring you that Domino's pizza hot dog. Dansoy, peace, love you, out.